God. Like, mix them together, become a little artist in my bathroom. Hi, I'm coming to you from my bathroom today where we are gonna work together, okay? To cover up a ginormous bruise that is on my thigh. The other night I went to like a new parent orientation open house. We were in an auditorium, kind of like a movie theater type setting. I got up, I walked down the aisle and bam, right into one of the freaking like armrests. It just jabbed me like right in the meat of my thigh. I held it together. I didn't really like wince or crumble, but it freaking hurt. I totally forgot about it until the next day when Ben was like, girl, honey, what happened to your leg? Had no idea what he was talking about till I looked down and I was like, oh my God. It's not cute. It's not cute. And he's not the only one that noticed. There was a lady in the Target checkout and another lady at the True Value hardware store checkout that also was like, sweetheart, what happened to you? So long story short, I have this ginormous bruise. It's not looking great. We got a lot of back to school activities today. And I know it's not like the biggest deal in the world, but it's like 100 degrees. I want to be wearing shorts and I have a monstrous bruise on my leg. And I just want to cover it up and just not have it look like somebody straight up kicked Starbucks out of me. Like, it looks bad. So I'm going to show you in a second. Let's do it.
I hope you enjoy this very weird, strange shuffle dance thing that I've got going on. I'm clearly really trying to display this bruise in all her glory. As you can see here, it's green, it's purple, it's unsightly, and don't worry, there will be more awkward shuffling later in the video. But let's get to covering this thing up.
All right, first things first, we're gonna try SelfTanner. I use this all the time. This should hopefully do the trick. Only downside is that I can't find my mitt, like my tanning mitt. We just moved a few days ago. It somehow is like lost in the shuffle. I know it's here, but I don't know where. Anyways, I'm just gonna go back to using like my old school rubber gloves to apply this stuff. And let's hope that that is the only thing that we need to do. But I might have to do a couple coats of this stuff. Okay, let's see what happens.
Here I am applying the SelfTanner. This is one of my tanners that I've used for a very long time. It's actually featured in one of my other videos, which I will link here as well as down in the comments below if you want to know how to get a really good self-tanner routine in place, all the tips, tricks, all the things you need to know. But anyways, I'm putting the self-tanner on now in the hopes that it would sort of camouflage the bruise here, but it does not appear to be doing that.
I think we can all agree that that did not deliver the intended results. I thought for sure I was gonna get like some sort of coverage, like it was gonna, I don't know, like just sort of like mask it a little bit, and it totally didn't. You can still see there's a huge freaking bruise. So plan B, plan 2, we're gonna use some makeup and see what we can do there. Quick update. So I did sleep on it for one more night, but I can't do it anymore because I literally have the event to go to tonight. So I dug around in like all the things that I have here to do this. I'm gonna try to cover it up with makeup. I went to the store late last night to our local Walgreens to see if they had any of that. I think it's by Sally Hansen. I could be wrong, but I'm fairly certain it's that Sally Hansen like airbrush leg stuff, and it comes in the aerosol can and you like shake it up and it's basically like spray painting your legs. I looked for that. They did not have it. I went to not one, but 2 stores. They didn't have it and I didn't have time to order it, so I was like, look, we're gonna have to just use what we have at home. Then I got home and realized as I was digging through all my stuff, I think, because we recently moved, I'm either missing a box of, you know, beautification tools and sneaky little things that I like to use, you know, like color corrector. I'm either missing a box or I threw it out. And I didn't want to move a whole bunch of stuff with me, and so I think I threw it out. So I don't have any color corrector, but typically like that would be something you'd really want to use for a bruise, something that's got like a yellow to it or a green or a pink. Probably not a green because I got green on my leg right now. You know, you want to use like the opposite of the color spectrum to color correct. So all I really have is some makeup products. And I'm kind of looking around here because I'm just laying them out on my bathtub to show you. Okay. So like, this is what we have. This is what we got. Like literally that's it. I've got some eyeshadowy stuff, like some matte shadows. Cause my leg is darker than my regular skin tone. So like I don't know that my regular foundation is gonna work. So I was like, well, maybe I could mix some of that in it. But now that I look at it, I'm like, that's stupid. This is my Tartelette palette. Oh, that got a little crunched up in the move. I thought maybe I could use some of these, like darker ones. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. Okay, my Bye Bye Under Eye, it's pink. This is like my miracle product for everything. So I might give this a try first. What about this? Let's look. Okay. This stuff is like really thick. I'm not a fan of it for my face. Oh, for the love of, there we go. Oh, that's way too bright. Okay. I have 700 brushes, one under eye concealer, a Too Faced bronzy bronzer that's got glittery shimmer stuff in it. And I got these. These are like my Saint cream products. Now cream products have a lot more pigments in them than like liquid foundation. So I was like, maybe my cream products, but I don't have, oh my God, there's so much like cross-contamination happening here. I don't have anything that's like the right tone for my leg, but this one's kind of close. That's that icon color, and this is really light. So like maybe if I like mix them together, become a little artist in my bathroom, I can create something. And we'll put a powder on top. I want to try my concealer just to see. And of course, I can't even find like my beauty blender, like my sponge. I have to be missing a box. Okay, let's see what happens here. Oh my God. It is still looking fierce. Okay, we're gonna try a little bit. I'm just gonna blow. Okay. It's not great, but I don't hate it. Okay, we're gonna use this brush. It's a foundation brush. Okay. I mean, it looks weird, but it doesn't look, looks like I have that Calmine lotion on, you know? Like when you have a bug bite. Okay, let's blend it out. Let's blend it out. Let's back up. I mean, is it better? I still think it looks weird. We need a darker color. We need a darker color. Okay, I got a darker color. We're gonna try this one. Like, well, or do we think that icon is better? I think the icon one is better. That might be perfect. Okay, but I've got like some glittery stuff happening on top, so we're gonna scrape that off. I am such a mess right now. Okay, let's just dab in. Let's say a prayer. Take a deep breath and lightly dab. Shut up. I kind of like it. It looks better. Like, yeah. Okay, and we're gonna go all around. I want to try some of this one. This is olive. I have a personal vendetta against it because I can't get it to work. It's like the perfect color contour that I like for my face, but I can't get the formula to work for me. Maybe she can redeem herself in a Bruise cover. I like it. I like it. Oh my God, did I really do it? What is that? I have a weird vein? Oh no. Okay, we don't have time to talk about that right now. I gotta get to this thing. Oh my God, you guys. Yeah? I mean, it's better. I wasn't expecting it to look like totally perfect, but like, okay, I'm gonna let it kind of dry down a bit, and then I'm gonna do another coat, like another layer. I'll come back. All right, we're coming in for the second coat. Look at it. Like, after it dried down, the lighting in here is really, really harsh. So I'll show you in a second. We'll go out to more natural lighting, but okay. We're gonna do some of this, some of that, just to lighten it up on like that one spot that's like really kind of showing through. We're just gonna stipple. And this stuff is super matte. I think and I'm gonna kind of like try to blend out. I was going to add a powder or a setting spray on top, but like I'm gonna leave it. Okay, then I'm gonna do like a mix of those two again. Oh yeah, we're just gonna get crazy with it. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, you guys. It looks so much better. Yes, yes. All right, and then I'm just gonna fan it out. Oh my gosh, you guys. Like it, do you see that? It's so much better. It would have been even better if I had color corrector. It would look perfect. Okay, let's go look in like natural light. All right, this is where it is. Oh, this is what I'm wearing. Okay, it's not perfect, but it'll work. I hope you found this video helpful. I sure had a lot of fun making it. I'm gonna go to my like back to school parent event. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You know, all the things. I'll see you next time. Bye.